Celery and celery seeds continue to be popular medicinal plants, and while there's no doubt that celery is a good source of vitamin C and electrolyte minerals like potassium and magnesium, and preliminary studies also indicate that celery contains substances called coumarins, which may help everything from cancer and blood pressure to maybe even migraine headaches. But what about arthritis pain and gout? Can celery or celery seeds help your joint pain too? So we have this interesting review of celery seeds and their effects on pain and arthritis. And in one of the experiments, the researchers purposely produced pain in the paws of the rats and found that, no surprise, ibuprofen reduces pain for about 3.5 hours. But what's interesting here is that they also report that celery seed extract also reduced the pain as well. And you will notice the dosage I highlighted here, 500 milligrams per kilogram. That is not the same dosage of celery seeds as what a human might take, because rats and people are different. So I did some simple calculations and arrived at these approximate amounts for people who might want to give this a try. Again, keeping in mind this is a rat study and there's no guarantee that the amounts listed here would work for people, because the research definitely needs to be replicated in human clinical studies. These researchers also report on chronic pain as well, although remember again, the 1500 milligram dose I'm highlighting here is for rats and not people. That said, further lending evidence to the possibility that celery and celery seeds may reduce pain is that it was also reported in this paper that long-term use of celery seed extract appeared to have the same pain-relieving effect as either naproxen or ibuprofen. Celery seeds have also gotten a reputation for reducing gout-related pain as well. As this study points out, both celery seed extract and celery seed oil inhibit xanthine oxidase. Xanthine oxidase is the enzyme that's responsible for making uric acid. Remember that high levels of uric acid is related to gout-related pain. So inhibiting xanthine oxidase makes celery seeds a potential player in reducing gout pain, and that is, again, very interesting. But what about people with gout? Despite its popularity online, it's just not known yet. Those studies have not been done. So if you've tried celery seeds for your gout pain, absolutely leave a comment below. I'm curious to know what happened. Celery seeds also appear to help arthritis pain in horses, which again is little help to people who have joint pain. So I'm not saying here that celery won't work at reducing arthritis pain or gout pain, but rather that the human proof just isn't there yet. Hopefully those studies are in the pipeline now, and when they come out, I will do a video on them. Did celery help your aches and pains? Absolutely let me know in the comments below. I'm very curious. Until next time, I am Joe from supplementclarity.com. Take care.